Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we're melting aluminum the old backwoods redneck way. We got charcoal, we got half of a water tank, half of a CO2 container for a kegerator, a blower, and a part of an exhaust for a motorcycle. Put the aluminum in there, wrap it with the charcoal, get the blower going, and you got liquid aluminum. We're basically trying to relocate the stem in a set of 350X triples to pull the front wheel backwards. By pouring the liquid aluminum in the OEM triples, it makes them solid triples again, and I can relocate the holes and have solid material to drill into to get the holes correct. So here I'm got my breaker bar. I'm trying to get the slag off the top to see how liquid the aluminum is. It's not quite there yet. So we got to put the cover back on it and let it cook for a little bit longer. This is tricky. I really need to get a propane set up for it. It would make life a lot easier. But as often as I do not melt aluminum, charcoal seems to work pretty well for the rare occasion that I need to do this. Here we've got the liquid aluminum. Knocking all the slag off of it. Getting all the contamination out so we have nice, pretty, shiny aluminum on top. This is something that you got to do when you melt aluminum. All the contaminants and everything will float to the top. So you got to scrape it all off, get it all out. That way you've got pure aluminum, not contaminated aluminum, to use as a pour in a mold. This is also practice for when I start molding clutch covers and case halves and anything else I feel like casting. Grab a pair of channel locks, grab onto the container, and start pouring the aluminum. It pours real easy. We're filling all the holes. The top triple was the one that I haven't done already, so I wanted to make sure I got that one. The rest of the aluminum's getting poured into the lower triple. I already have a casting for that one. I did that before. Didn't have enough aluminum. So this is attempt number 3, actually. Hit that subscribe button. Comments are always welcome. Welcome to the channel. We're live streaming on the Sawyer Custom Gaming channel. You want to come hang out? We got tech talk, all kinds of different stuff going on there. I'll see you there.